Mutasim. Himel আছে. Mutasim Himel. Are you present here? Mutasim Himel. Are you present? Okay. I am making you host. You will give admit to the students if they want to enter our class. Okay? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Good morning, boys. How are you? Thank you. I hope that all of you are fine in this dire situation of COVID-19, and I hope all of you are staying home. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my class 11. I am giving my identity. I am Asadul Haq, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Dhaka Residential Model College. Okay, boys, please get ready very quickly with your texts, copies and pens. You will have to write down while I will write. Okay, today our topic is the giant panda. You can see that Unit 12, Lesson 3, topic the giant panda. Have you ever seen panda in the real life situation? Any of you? Yes. You may or may not have. Sometimes we get it in the form of a puppet, or you may see it in the zoo or in the Geography Channel. What does it look like? Can you say, anybody? It actually looks like a bear. Okay, it's a species, it's an endangered species in the world, and we will talk about how it is endangered and how can we protect it. And after reading the passage, I will give you some work. I hope you will be able to give the answer. Okay, get ready. I am starting from the text. Sound, any problem? Sound? Okay, shall I am raising my voice. Is it clear? Is it clear? Wa alaikum salam. Okay, do you listen to me? Okay, do you listen to me? Okay, panda's bamboo fort may be lost to climate change. Though I am reading the text, okay? Do you listen to me? Though they are one of the most beloved animals species on earth, it is an endangered or dear animal species on the earth. Pandas are not safe from the devastating effects of the climate change. Yes, the devastating effects have a great impact on the giant pandas. You know that all the species of the world are endangered due to the climate change. According to a new study, projected temperature, that means calculated Please remain silent and listen to me attentively, okay? Don't talk among yourselves. Audio clear now? Audio device. Okay, I am making it clear. Audio device. Okay, boys, listen to me. According to a new study, projected temperature increases in China. Projected means calculated for future. Projected means calculated. Calculated on the information for future. Please mute your device. Okay, the projected temperature increases in China over the next century will likely seriously hinder bamboo. That means the temperature which we calculate that will increase in the future will seriously make an obstacle to the growth of bamboo in almost all the areas of the world. Almost it is the sole source of food for endangered pandas. The life of pandas are at stake. They are going to be extinct very soon, and their life is now endangered, imperiled. 99% of the pandas' diet, that means they eat, is bamboo. Their diet is bamboo, and an adult panda needs around 38 kg of bamboos every day. That means an adult panda eats 38 kg of bamboos, especially China bamboos, every day. And it is the sole source of food, only food for them. Only if the bamboo can move to a new habitats at higher elevations. Elevations means higher land, hill or higher lands. Elevations. Higher land. If we can change the habitat or the living place of bamboo to another place, to higher land, we can stand a chance of survival. That means there is a possibility that the panda will survive. Because if we cannot grow bamboo, then panda will not survive. So how can we protect our bamboo? We can protect our bamboos if we can replace them to a higher place. The researchers said, the researchers, the scholars, the environmentalists predict that we will have to replace them to a higher place. However, if the conservations means preservations, programs wait too long, if the activities wait too long, inhabitants and activities could claim all of the new habitats capable of supporting bamboo in a warming world. That means if we make plate protect the bamboos, our activities, the human activities can destroy all the supporting bamboos for the giant panda. It is tough, but I think there is still hope. That means the writer is saying, the scholar is saying that he is still hopeful. He wants to, the act of preserving bamboo tree is a challenging work now, but still there is hope if we be active, if we take action now. Said the research team member Ziangu Liu. If we wait, then we could be too late. Do you listen to me? Okay, boys? Sound? Okay, there might be that some of you have unmuted your device, I think. Okay, do you listen? I am listening to every words. Okay, the researchers used various climate change models. That means these researchers who are conducting research, they used various climate change models to project the future. To project the future for 3 bamboo species relied on by the pandas in the Kinlin mountain region of China, which represents about a quarter of the total remaining panda habitats. That means in the Kinlin mountain of China, there are 3 species of bamboo on which the pandas are relying great. And the researchers are conducting research to protect them for the future. And this is the total remaining a quarter of the total remaining panda habitat. This area, that means Kinlin mountain region, is the habitat of a quarter of the total remaining panda habitat. That means it is the place of the 1/4 of pandas, of the living pandas in the world. These models believe in their specific predictions. That means, but each forecasted some level of temperature rise within the coming century. That means if we cannot protect them in the next century, these bamboo, if the temperature rises, it may vanish from the world. Okay, am I clear? So each of the research results say that we must, yes, yes, you cannot listen to me. Sound somewhat unclear. Okay, tell your friend to unmute.
Okay, do you listen now? Okay, voice, raise your voice. The results suggested that if the bamboo is restricted to its current distribution area, between 80 to 100% of it will disappear by the end of the 21st century. That means If the bamboo is restricted to its current distribution area, that means where it is staying, between 80 and 100%, 100% of it will disappear by end of the 21st century, because it won't be able to grow under the increased temperature. If the temperature increased a lot, the bamboo will not survive. It will not be able to protect the bamboos for the pandas. If, however, bamboo can move into new cooler areas, if we can replace the bamboos to a cooler areas where the temperature is lower, then there is a hope that we will be able to protect the bamboos. However, all depend on the extent to which human can curtail climate change by limiting greenhouse gas emission in the future. That means all these things will depend how much will we be able to check the emission of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. If we cannot control the rise of temperature, we will not be able to protect the bamboos. Okay, many pandas in the wild currently live in the nature reserves protected from human encroachment. That means humans are being crossing the limit. They are trespassing, and uh, and they are destroying. They are destroying the habitat of uh, pandas, and they are destroying the yes, yes, encroachment মানে হচ্ছে trespass, encroachment. That means legally you have an area, but you have crossed your area and went beyond to another person's land. That is called encroachment, trespass, crossing the limit, or go beyond. That means legally you have an area, you cannot go to another man's field. But human activities are encroaching, means they are going into the habitat, and they are disturbing the pandas. They are destroying the habitats of pandas. However, almost all of the land encompassed means surrounded, included by those reserves will be unsuitable for the bamboo if the temperature rise as predicted. That means, however, almost all of the land encompassed by those reserves will be unsuitable. That means it will not be suitable for the pandas or for the bamboos if the temperature rise as predicted. That means if the temperature rises, the bamboo will not exist in the increased temperature. We must control the temperature. But if conservationists plan ahead now, that means immediately, well ahead of the time, to move those reserves in line with changing bamboo habitats, then may be possible to preserve the land the pandas will need. That means if the environmentalist, if the conservationist uh, plan early, uh, quite early, then there is a chance that we will be able to protect the forest, protect the bamboos for the pandas. And climate change is not only challenge facing giant pandas or one of and climate change is not only challenge facing giant panda. The pandas are not only facing the challenge of the temperature or climate change, they are also facing many other problems. One of the most endangered species in the world. Panda is one of the most endangered species, most imperiled species in the world. Researchers says it is the opinion of the scholars, researchers. Human activities have already severely limited the animal's habitat. That means human activities have limited their space because they are destroying the environment, the bamboos, and their dependence on a single source of food. That means human beings are destroying their source of food also. One that is not that nutrient. That means it's not very, the bamboo has not so much food value or energy rich. It's not energy rich, and if it is not energy rich or nutrient, it will not help a lot. So the source of food of the pandas are being destroyed. It is the main thing. In addition to their native habitats in China, pandas have lived around the world in zoos and breeding centers. That means in some reproductive centers where they are reproduced, and in the zoos they are staying, they are being preserved. But Leo does not predict a bright future for the bears. Leo does not predict any bright future. That means the future is very bleak. If they lose their wild habitats, if their habitats in the forest is lost, they will not survive. Their natural habitat, I mean. In the breeding center or in the zoos, their species will not be able to survive. To really protect pandas, if you want to really protect pandas, you cannot just stick them into a breeding center or a zoo. Okay. Uh, Please mute your mobile. He said nothing that the animal's genetic diversity would suffer. Their diversity, their differences, species of the different species of the pandas will suffer, and among other issues. That's not a long-term solution. That means it's not a long-term solution. Okay, boys. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will give you some questions. I hope all of you have understood this well. And now I am giving you work. Try to solve it. If you can't, I will help you. Yes, encompassed means surrounded. That means my area is encompassed by something. That means this area has been included or surrounded. Curtail means carve. Curtail. Curtail means carve. CURB. Check. Control. keeping in control. CHECK, check, control. Okay. Okay, boys. Uh, based on your reading, now try to fill in the flow chart showing the habits of pandas, food habits of pandas, and the effects of the climate change on it. Based on your reading, show the effects. Sorry, food habits. Show the food habits. Food habits of panda. And the effects of climate change. And the effects of climate change. Effects of climate change on it. That means based on the reading of your passage, show the food habits of panda and the effects of climate change on it. The first one I am doing for you. Bamboo. The on-leaf, the soul, source of food, for panda. Okay. You know that you must write the flowchart in the box. And now write the other 5 ones. And I am giving you 1 or 2 minutes time. I will help you. If you can't find out the other, yes, soul means only. Yes, it is the only source of food. Just try to solve it. I will help you next. And now I am giving you some questions also. You need not look at the questions now. Try to solve it. In the exam, you must write it in the box and give numbers. Okay. Okay, students, I think you have solved the flow chart. Have you? Have you finished? Or can you think of any solution? Okay, I am helping you. I am giving you the clues. Okay, bamboo, the sole source of food for panda. Next, number two. Number two, that means 99% of pandas relying on bamboo. The third one, requiring 38 kg of bamboo for an adult panda. Every day. Bamboos in the Kinlin mountain relying on 3 species of bamboo. Possibility of number 2. Number 2. 90, yes. Number 4. Okay. Number 4. Possibility of disappearing. Possibility of disappearing of bamboos by the end of the 21st century. That means there is a possibility of disappearing bamboos by the end of the 21st century. Write in short form, okay? Just the information. Grammatical accuracy is not needed here. We need the information. That means possibility of disappearing bamboos by the end of the 21st century. That may, and the sixth one. No possibility of growing bamboo in the increased temperature. In the increased temperature. I am telling the answers again. The second one, 99% of pandas relying on bamboo. The third one, requiring 38 kg of bamboo for an adult panda every day. Number 4, pandas in the Kinlin mountain relying on 3 species of bamboos. Number 5, possibility of disappearing of bamboos in the increased temperature. Am I clear? Okay. Now give me the answer. Okay. Try to give the answer at your home and try to think about the answers and try to solve the multiple choice from your model test. If you have face any problem, just let me know in my inbox, and I will teach you the lesson 4, the threats to tigers of mangrove forest, in the next lesson. Okay, thank you all. We shall try to overcome the difficulties that we face today. keep oil. Please follow the general rules of health. It is said that prevention is better than cure. Always true. Okay. Thank you. Keep oil. We'll see you again. Wa alaikum salam.